and welcome to Open House. My name is Ms. Turnley, and I'm the Community Partnership School Director for Evans High School. Evans High School is a very special place in that we are a community partnership school. What does this mean, you may ask? This means that we are able to not only support students, but families as well. We want to ensure the success of our students inside and outside of the classroom, so we focus on 4 main areas: expanded learning, wellness supports, family and community engagement, as well as collaborative leadership. We have 4 amazing core partners: Children's Home Society, Orange Blossom Family Health, Orange County Public Schools, and the University of Central Florida. Through these 4 key focus areas and our 4 core partners, they come together to ensure the success of your students and to make sure that you are supported at home as well. So I know this school year looks a little bit different, being that some students are in class learning face-to-face and some students are at home learning launch ed. No matter your student's mode of learning, know that the Community Partnership School is here to support you. Have a wonderful year and go Trojans!
Hello Trojans, I'm Ms. Boseju, your Wellness Support Coordinator here at Evans High School. If you need any services such as medical appointments, dental, vision, sports physical, and food pantry, I am the person to reach out to. In order to have your medical, dental, and sports physicals done, you have to have a consent form on file signed by your parents. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate and reach out to me. Thank you so much, stay safe, and have a great one.
Greetings, Trojans and parents. This is Ms. Riha, your Expanded Learning Coordinator here at Evans High School. I basically handle enrichment programs, which can consist of weekly after-school programs that run on Mondays. I also handle any workshop programs that are bi-weekly or monthly, and I also handle any in-house programs that go through the hub. In addition to that, I also handle supper, snacks, which are provided every day after school, and I also supervise tutoring on Tuesdays and Thursdays in the Media Center, which afterwards an activity bus is available. In addition to that, we have school supplies that are provided to students in case you are facing any financial hardships. If you need anything at all, please come to the hub. We're always here to help, and we're just wishing you the best year possible and that you have a great year, and we're wishing you many success. Have a great one.
Good evening, Trojan families, and welcome to Open House. I am Ms. Clark, your Parent Engagement Liaison. And as your liaison, I am your first point of contact in the link between your home and our school. Here at the Parent Resource Center, we strive to help to support you to make sure that we are avoiding any barriers to your students' overall success. We know 3 things. 1, we all want the best for our students, and so by working together, we can make that happen. 2, we also know that when our parents aren't okay, our students aren't okay, so we're here for you. And 3, we know that during your lifetime as a parent, one of the most important relationships that you will have is between your home and your school. And so I would like to ask you again, how can I help? I am very excited about serving you, and I'm looking forward to meeting you soon. Have a great evening.